Hi, it's Ed Kaminsky and residential purchase agreement tip here on Earnest money deposit. How safe is it? Is it protected if I'm the buyer? Can I take it if I'm the seller? So I will say that the earnest money deposit is protected if you're a buyer, generally with three main contingencies. A contingency is something in a purchase contract that states that if you're not satisfied with an outcome of something, then you can cancel and get your deposit back. Those three main contingencies that are in the contract are your inspection contingency, your loan contingency, meaning being approved from the loan, for the loan, and number three, your appraisal contingency. These are the three major contingencies in a contract. So, quickly to go through them, if you bought a home for $1 million, it appraises for $900,000, you have multiple choices. Cancel the contract, get your deposit back, renegotiate the price, and move forward. Or just bring in more down payment and still close. Your deposit, however, is protected if you can't come to an agreement with the seller if the appraisal doesn't come in. Same with your loan approval. If the lender does not approve your loan in the time frame allowed, you have a right to cancel and get your deposit back. And with your inspection contingency, if you are not satisfied with the inspection results and can't work something out with the seller, you can choose to cancel and get your deposit back. So hopefully that helps you understand the earnest money deposit, which is typically 3% of the purchase price. The reason it's most commonly 3% of the purchase price is because of the liquidated damages clause. I will give you some tips on liquidated damages in another episode of Ed Gives You Tips on the Real Estate Purchase Contract. Thanks for watching.